For the first time ever, I'm customizing cleats for an MLB pitcher. These will be for Michael Kopech of the Chicago White Sox, and I couldn't be more excited. I'll be crafting not only a special Father's Day themed pair of cleats, but also a glove for him to wear on the mound, which will also serve as a really cool keepsake for him and his family later. This project is like a dream come true for me. As a lifelong Southsider, I've been going to Sox games my entire life, and now it's a tradition that I get to share with my kids. Collaborating with my first Sox player on a theme like Father's Day makes it even more special, as there's nothing in the world more meaningful to me than being a dad. My plan for these is simple. Execute Michael's vision. He wants blue cleats for Father's Day adorned with cherubs featuring his 4 kids' names. Additionally, he wants an American traditional tattoo-style baseball glove along with his dad's signature featured on the heels. Afterwards, I'll deliver the finished cleat to Michael and see if I've successfully brought his vision to life. Sometimes things gotta get a little uglier before we can make them pretty. I wanted to give these a little bit more of an aged and vintage feel rather than going for like an overly saturated blue, which is typically what I do for a pair of cleats that I want to stand out on the field. But for this, I really thought going with more of an aged vibe would work for the theme. I probably just violated a bunch of classic traditional tattoo rules by shading them like this, but I had to inject some of my own flavor into the design. Currently 4:30 in the morning, Friday. I have 1 day left with these. I have been working on the early stages of getting these cherubs laid down, and I have to paint 8 of them tomorrow in 1 day. That is something way outside of my wheelhouse, so I'm gonna need a miracle for this one. Hopefully the paint gods are with me. All right, heading to deliver the cleats to Michael now.
Oh, nice, dude. That's sick.
Love to match.
That's awesome. Like, I got these tattoos and everything, so that's kind of where that idea came from.
Badass.
That's sweet, man. I appreciate it so much.
Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. Man, I don't know about you guys, but I would never want to be that person to ask an athlete for a photo. YouTube thinks you'd like to watch this video next.